I'm on up to 16-foot ladders, had a freak accident and fell off a 16-foot ladder, landed on my right foot and shattered 7 bones and landed on my left glute. All of that had organic impacts on my body, some of which were immediately present. Broken bones, 9 weeks in a cast. I was looking at the end of my career. I didn't know if I could keep going. And one of my dear clients referred me to IPA, and that was the beginning of a cure for me. I felt like there was a path, that we were on a journey together, and that every time I came in, I made progress. There was a noticeable improvement in my condition after every treatment. If you give the body a chance to heal, it most likely will. If you find the right path, which I think IPA is a big piece of, you can assist the body if it's being overwhelmed. Good therapy can help it conquer an ailment. You know, I'm 70, I'm not ready to quit. I love what I do. This office turned my life around. So to walk into IPA and get the treatment I did and give me hope to extend my career was a godsend. I tell people I felt like Humpty Dumpty and I got put back together again.